I'm not sure about practical training. Is there anything you offer that I can do at home? Great question. Until, even last year we didn't have that capability, but now we do. We have a web-based training program. The name of the course is called Core Upset Recovery Concepts for Professional Jet Pilots. Now, great program for everybody. Even if you're not a jet pilot, it's a very good training course. Now, it is oriented more towards a jet pilot. The diagrams are jets. They do talk about some performance situations, especially high altitude situations for jet pilots and transport category pilots to deal with. But 90% of the course is pretty generic. Upset recovery training isn't meant to be complex. It's very directed. The fundamental principles are the same regardless of the type of airplane that you're flying. And the web-based training program, just for a little bit of detail on that, will be our little advertisement here, is it's 3 hours in an ideal environment for you to go through. Anywhere to 3 to 8 hours. Kind of depends on your aptitude or your learning level or how much you need to study each chapter. Take your time. I mean, it's self-paced. You can go through it at whatever pace you want. You have an entire month to take the course. So be sure you do it. There's a questionnaire at the end, and it'll let you know whether you know it or not. And if you don't pass it the first time, it's going to tell you what areas you need to go back and study and get you to retake the test, and you do get a completion certificate when it's all done. So I highly recommend that. Great for anybody, even if you're coming for a practical training, whether it's in the airplane or simulator, because that's a great course. It really, really is. It gets you kind of in the mental state of getting ready for your practical training. And people aren't taking practical training, it'll probably motivate you to take practical training, which at the end of the day is really what it's all about. Studying on its own, academic preparation, is an important component of upset recovery, but unfortunately it really doesn't develop any skill that's going to be of use to you in a real upset. You really need to be trained by experts to get that, but don't let that discourage you from doing the online course. Great way to start. Really, really encourage that.